setting new goals in the new year, mind, body, and spirit. So when it comes to getting fit these days, it's easy to get overwhelmed by all those fad workouts of the week, right? That's why Planet Fitness wants you to work out at your own pace. They have a non-intimidating and encouraging environment where everyone can feel comfortable regardless of your fitness level. This is why they're known as the judgment-free zone, and their small group fitness training is included in their membership. So January 16th, they have a special deal up until that date to join for just 20 cents and $10 a month at 2,000 locations around the country, because the key to success is setting those small, realistic goals and doing it with your life and your schedule. Because in a survey, they found that the majority of Americans believe you need to work out for 95 minutes, 5 or more days a week, and that's not true. It's 10 minutes of exercise that can really create a positive effect with your health. Just go to planetfitness.com to find out more and sign up at a location near you. Now, if one of your goals is good hair, the experts at John Frieda are making it happen in just 3 simple daily steps. Their Detox and Repair collection works to revitalize strands and restore your hair to that natural shine. The Detox and Repair shampoo acts like a magnet to take away the dirt, oil, and product buildup. The conditioner formula with avocado oil and green tea will counteract with the damage and create nourishment. And last step, the Care and Protect. You spray it on when your hair is wet, and the formula is packed with antioxidants and vitamins, and it will minimize the split ends and the breakage. And you can find it at Target, CVS, and online at Amazon for $10 each. Now, if your goal is to travel more in the new year, the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless and Bold cards from Chase are going to make that happen. These cards are designed to inspire and empower you to travel. Starting January 13th, the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless card will be offering a limited 100,000 bonus points promotion to new card members after you spend $5,000 in the first 3 months. Plus, with the Boundless, you get 6 times the points at more than 7,000 hotels that participate in Marriott Bonvoy, 2 times points on everything else, and that's just for a $95 fee. If you're looking for a no annual fee, the Marriott Bonvoy Bold card is for you. The card is offering a sign-up bonus of 50,000 points after you spend $2,000 in 3 months. It'll give you 3 times points on purchases at Marriott hotels, 2 times on other travel, and 1 times the points on everything else. And you can find out more about those cards by visiting their website, MarriottBoundlessCard.com and MarriottBoldCard.com.